You know, having an extension pole in all your painting projects is nothing new, and it definitely helps you get those hard to reach places way up. But you know, most rollers come threaded, so it's no big deal to just twist this right on and get to work. But what if you need to hold, say, a paintbrush or a tool for that matter to get up in a high place? Well, Mr. Longarm has come up with this brush and tool holder, and inside the package you have this little arm that attaches nicely to an extension pole. Now here's the arm, and I've gone ahead and put the paintbrush on it. And you see how there's a little screw that threads right through the hole that locks it into place, and then this clamp locks right down on it. And all I have to do is simply twist this onto the extension pole, and I'm ready to go. Now another feature that I like about this is that I can adjust this little knob right here, and I can get up to 13 different angles for my paintbrush. I can also attach, say, a duster or a cleaning brush on this as well and get all of my projects done in no time.